Alright, to get started here, we're going to clean off the trunk lid. Lots of dew. Paint job on these are surprisingly good. I'm going to do some initial fitting of the wing first. Make sure where you want to put it. It's going to be about 1/8 of an inch away from the trunk line crease. I'm going to take some alcohol wipes. I'm going to go over the area you want to put the wing. This is the wing here. Pretty nice for $36 with free shipping off of eBay. Color matched already, which is awesome. And it's just got 3M double face tape. I'm not sure if this is supposed to go all the way to the edge, or I would think it should go to the edge there. Sorry for the wind noise, it's very windy out here. Noisy. Best bet would be to leave some of it on until you get it started, and then you can kind of use the strip to pull it. Work your way down. Work your way along the edge there. Burnish it as you go. And that's it. So it gives a nice look for $36. Almost a GLI Audi S4 look. Being cold outside, I just hope this sticks on there. It seems like it's stuck on pretty well. And the wife will be happy since this is her car. Looks pretty cool. I think for being the price and being already painted, I think it looks pretty darn nice. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I think it looks pretty darn good though. Gives it more, I think it looks a lot more interesting the back of the car instead of just being flat across the back there. Having that GLI style lip, it looks a lot better. Now of course the car got all dirty in the last couple days, but a pretty nice car. This is a 2015 TDI, which is their turbo diesel, and this paint coat is, I think they told us it's called Galaxy Gray. I don't know. I didn't see that anywhere online. I just know that the paint code was in the trunk, which is LDYX, I believe, is the paint code. It's like a gunmetal gray color, pretty attractive color. So there you go. What an easy, quick 5-minute install, and makes the car, I think, look a lot more interesting, I think, with that lip. So you guys have to let me know what you think. Sorry about all the traffic noise. I live right along the highway, which kind of sucks, but that's life. So thanks for checking it out. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Alright, bye now.